Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your LG Fiesta 2 LTE. Alright, so first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to remove the SIM card tray, which it's going to be on the left side here, on the bottom of the left side. There's going to be a slight opening, as you can see. We're going to get a SIM ejector tool or anything thin to pull it in there and pull the SIM card tray out. So once you have it out, let's go ahead and place the SIM card and SD card in. So the SD card will go facing down like this, and the SIM card will go with the slanted part facing upwards like this. Okay, so once you're ready, go ahead and grab the phone and let's place them in. Okay, so there you go. If your phone is on, it's going to automatically read the SIM and the SD card. If your phone is off, then just power it on. So if your SIM card is activated, it's going to automatically pick up signal and service like you see here. And you should be able to start making phone calls and text messages right away. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you now how to set up your SD card so that pictures and videos are saved to the SD card from now on rather than the internal memory of the phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to camera. And once camera opens up, you're probably going to get this message right away that says change storage to SD card. So here we're just going to select change. And there you go. Pictures and videos that you take from now on will be automatically saved to the SD card. But if you don't get that message, you can also go to settings up here, find storage towards the bottom, click on it, and make sure that SD card is selected. And then once you do that, you're ready to go. You can take pictures and videos and they will be saved to the SD card. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to transfer old files from the memory of the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space in your phone to download new apps or take more pictures and videos. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to find the files manager. So we're going to go to productivity folder here, file manager, allow. Okay, once you're here in file manager, you're going to select these three lines up here. Okay, and then choose the where you want to transfer from. So since I want to transfer from the internal memory of the phone to free up space to the SD card, I'm going to select the internal storage. There we go. And I'm going to choose pictures and videos for the purpose of the video. They're going to be in DCIM folder. Okay, and then here you're going to select camera folder. And here it's going to be all your pictures and videos. I only have 3 for the purpose of the video. You're probably going to have a lot more. So here you're going to select the 3 dots up here. You're going to select move. Okay, and then now select all. Once you have them all selected, okay, you're going to select move down here. And then now we're going to select SD card, and I'll put it in the same DCIM folder in the SD card. Okay, I'm going to create a new folder here, LG Fiesta. There we go, save. Okay, and I'm going to save it inside that folder. So here I'm going to select OK. And as you can see, everything is being transferred from the internal memory to the SD card. So let's just double check. Let's check on the 3 dots. Go back to internal storage. The DCIM folder in the internal storage, camera. And as you can see now, there's no more pictures and videos here in the internal memory. Alright, so let's go back. Keep in mind that you can also do this with any other files that you want to transfer over to the SD card that are here to free up space on your phone. Alright everyone, so hope that was a helpful video on how to install your SIM and SD card in your LG Fiesta 2 LTE. See you next time, guys. And as always, peace.